Are you tired of the same old noodles and want to add something special? Then you got to try this. We're making Thai basil chicken fried noodles. It's crazy easy, takes just minutes to make, and you'll get that amazing aroma and fresh flavor from the basil in every bite. Alright, let's get started with a quick scrambled egg. Grab 2 large eggs and whisk them up in a bowl. Over medium heat, add a bit of oil to the wok. Then, pour in the eggs and cook, stirring gently until they are scrambled. When the eggs are cooked through, remove them from the wok and place them on a plate. And we'll set that aside for now. Next up, let's get our chicken ready. We're going to dice 300 grams of boneless chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to the same wok, heat it over medium-high heat, and then cook the chicken until it's cooked through. While the chicken cooks, we'll take this opportunity to prepare the sauce. In a glass jar, pour 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of white soy sauce for savoriness. Now let's add a bit of acidity with 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. To balance the saltiness, add 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. To infuse the sauce with deep umami flavor, add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Seal the jar and let's shake it up. And go ahead and pour half of the sauce mixture over the chicken. Stir until the chicken is completely coated in the sauce. Give it a quick taste, and if you think it needs it, add a pinch of salt and white pepper. Slice roughly 2 to 4 tablespoons of long red chili and toss that into the wok. Roughly tear half a cup of Thai basil leaves and throw them into the wok. Stir for about a minute, allowing the chicken to absorb the flavors of the chili and basil. Once flavored, transfer it to a plate and set it aside as well. Alright, let's get those noodles going. Chop up a 1/4 cup of shallots and throw them into the wok over medium-high heat. Chop 2 green onions, making sure to keep the whites and the green parts separate. And add just the white parts to the wok. Let that cook for 2 to 3 minutes while we chop 3 cloves of garlic. Toss the garlic into the wok and stir for 1 more minute. At this point, it's time to add the 300 grams of egg noodles. Also, pour in the remaining sauce mixture. Alright, let's give this a good mix. To add a vibrant color and satisfying crunch, slice 1 cup of red bell pepper. Let's add about half a cup of fried tofu for added protein. Give it a quick stir and then return the cooked chicken to the wok with the noodles. Also, throw in the egg. Allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes to reheat the chicken. Sprinkle another half cup of fresh basil leaves on top. Next, this is optional, but we like to add some crunchy peanuts. Slice more chili to use as a garnish. Finally, sprinkle the rest of the green onion. And there you have it. Savory, fresh, sweet, and spicy. This dish has it all. Chewy noodles, tender chicken, and crunchy veggies make this Thai basil chicken fried noodles a must try. We hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as we do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can bring you more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.
This is delicious.